ranch homes neighborhoods in Charlotte, not 55 plus. Hey, it's Roger Holloway from Prosted Realty. You know the Charlotte 485 goes all the way around. I'm not showing my face today. You know who I am. If not, subscribe to the channel. Got over 2,200 videos. Well, the 55 plus, I talk a lot about it. You know, Cressman's over here, Carolina Orchards is down here, Treetops is down here, Trilogy's up here, etc. But today I'm talking about ranch homes neighborhoods in Charlotte that are not 55 plus places. And we're going to go alphabetically. I wake up every day and I say, what kind of content can I deliver to my subscribers? And if you're not a subscriber, take care of business and to provide content and make relocating to Charlotte easy. So we're going to show you all around town, and maybe you have grandkids, grandkids in certain sides of town, then you want to be in a ranch homes neighborhood, but you're not quite ready for 55 plus for, you know, 250 or more for your monthly HOA. So we're going to start with a great local builder, which is Niblock Homes, right up here in the Concord, Harrisburg area. And this one is just great. Harrisburg address, small enclave, high quality homes, local builder, great reviews. That's Addison Park. Next is Ansley Park. I'm all over the map because I'm going alphabetically. And by the way, you can see they've got 5 Google reviews, 5 plus. I'm not fond of the other builder in there, but I do love me some David Weekley Homes down here in Indian Land. If you got kids over here in Fort Mill, you're very close, or Weddington, as you can see. The next one, we're going back up north, and they don't have any Google reviews. This is Asbury Park from Lennar. A lot of controversy about Huntersville, the cancer clusters. Do your research. We heard it was from the coal ash, but that's being or has been removed. We'll see how that lands. That's Huntersville, Asbury Park, a lot of the great Lennar ranch plans. Now we're going back down south to Cadence at Tega Cay, 4.5 Google reviews. It's a great little ranch homes neighborhood. Feels like 55 plus, but it's not. Right there by the Lake Wiley and Tega Cay. Pretty magnificent stuff. And they've got another neighborhood called Sonata. We'll get to that in a minute. Canopy Creek from Meredith Homes. Wow, 4.8 Google reviews. And you talk about energy efficient spray foam insulation. Now, you may have heard that the dirt and the land on the this side of Lake Norman, the west side, is less expensive in general. Here's where you got your $1 million, $2 million homes, etc. Mooresville up this way. But over here, some great values. Canopy Creek, ranch homes, not 55 plus. Now we're going to go down to Grove Manor because we're going alphabetically. They've got 5 Google reviews. They're building with steel framing, great local builder, Broad Street Homes, and they're selling quickly, and they're really right priced, you know, in the 300 to 350-ish range. Next one is Larkhaven Hills. Now this is adjacent to 4.6 reviews, Larkhaven Hills Meritage. Now this one, as opposed to Canopy Creek, this one is building with vinyl siding. Pricing is great, and it's adjacent to, in fact, some of the streets go right into the Crestwind 55 plus neighborhood. The next one, Magnolia Cove up here in Sherrills Ford. No Google reviews. It's a custom builder that's been around for a while, but this builder picked up some lots here and is building out a nice little 55, not 55 plus, but a ranch homes community. And you can see you're up north of Denver. It's called Sherrills Ford, right off of Lake Norman. Next one is Meadows at Coddle Creek. 3.9, it's Google's reviews. It's DR Horton. And where are they? They're up here in the Mooresville area. The great area of town is pretty far up. You know, 77 is not the most friendly with Jack, the real estate dog. What you itching there, son? You're making a lot of noise on my video. Stop it. People think we don't take care of you. We spray you. We give you pills. Anyway, Meadows at Coddle Creek, DR Horton, a lot of the great DR Horton ranch plans. Again, if you've got family up here, grandkids in the Mooresville, Davidson, Cornelius, Huntersville area, this could be a good one for you. The next one is from Century Communities, and now we're moving way down south over here in Rock Hill. They've got 3.6 stars, Google reviews from Century Communities. I have no complaints with Century Communities. It's not really Rock Hill, but it's got a Rock Hill address right over here. You could type the word Rhyne. In fact, if you don't know this, you could go to my YouTube search bar and you could type in my little search icon, you could type in the word Rhyne. Now be careful because there's a Rhyne Estate, and then this one is Rhyne Estates. But you can use that search bar and see what videos I have on any of these communities. I do have videos on them. Next one is Sonata Mint Hill from Mattamy Homes. Very similar to Cadence at Tega Cay, but same great builder. No Google reviews yet. It was formerly known as Cadence, but there was some name confusion because of another entity, so they've changed it to Sonata. This is great location, very close to the Veterans Park there. Beautiful. Guys, I love Mint Hill, little downtown area of Mint Hill. And our 12th one is the farm at Ingleside. Now, this one's interesting. No Google reviews yet. DR Horton. What's interesting is, you know, Trilogy Lake Norman is right here with a Denver address, but right here, right next to it, really adjacent to it, is the farm at Ingleside from DR Horton. It's got an Iron Station address. Again, this is up on the northwest side of Charlotte. Guys, we're buyers agents. I lead the team. I've got a great group of buyers agents. We'd love to help you in your quest to find the right home as you're relocating to Charlotte. Watch me. I answer the phone, 704-345-3400. Before you reach out to any of these builders, it is imperative that you have a name of a buyer agent. Don't use me. I'm the team leader. Look down in my description below for a list of my current roster. And if you reach out to them, make sure, whether it's Addison Park, Ansley Park, Asbury Park, Cadence, Canopy, Grove, Larkhaven, Magnolia, Meadows, Rhyne, Sonata, or the farm at Ingleside, make sure you tell them my agent from Prosted Realty is. Now, we don't have a contract with you. No harm, no foul, but you, to protect yourself, need the placeholder of a buyer agent. Pick one from my roster, either Rodney Jones, Denise O'Farrell, Donnie Morrison, Joe Top. Have your pick. And better yet, give me a call, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe it and like it.